today we used our rail card and we went to Lanark from Glasgow, which was about a 50-minute journey by train. And we just did part of the William Wallace heritage walk through town. Learned a little about the history, saw where his wife Mairin and he lived before they started the war for independence. And now we are walking to the Falls of Clyde, and we just came through this lovely little natural tunnel and out to the riverside. We're gonna walk along the river now for a bit. So we've been walking for about a half hour, and we crossed over the River Clyde and walked through Clyde Forest for a bit, which was really lovely. The river is just down below us, and we passed a wee waterfall, and actually more like a wee stream. And anyway, we're gonna continue yonder, and the falls should be maybe another half-hour walk away. Watch the muck.
Hi.
So autumnal.
Lovely day for a walk in the woods. A little overcast, but no rain.
That's true.
Bonus.
Very loud, but man, beautiful. I feel so lucky we have the leaf color. It's pretty. So we just passed the Coralin Falls, which were beautiful, bigger than I thought they were going to be actually. And this is the ruins to Cora Castle, which it's not open anymore, but apparently there is a bat colony that lives in there. So that's kind of interesting. Anyway, the castle dates back to the 13th century.
Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Which way are we gonna go?
Which way? Well, I think this way, so that's probably
That means that's the right way, but we're gonna go this way. So we made it to the other side. This is Lorin Waterfall, and Cora means extraordinary in Gaelic, and Rin means waterfall in Scottish Gaelic. Also, fun trivia fact, William Wallace, Guardian of Scotland, fled here with his crew, his soldiers, after murdering Sheriff Kesselring, who executed his wife, Mairin. Really cool, fun trivia fact. A little history lesson as well.
almost back to the visitor center. Todd's excited. He's got new shoes on, so his feet are starting to hurt a little bit.
A little sore. And when if you listen, there's another waterfall.
Another waterfall coming up, a smaller one. But yeah, this is definitely this portion of the hike is way more popular. We didn't really run into anyone on the other side. But as you can see, we're on a little boardwalk, and we're actually in a nature preserve, which is pretty cool. Okay, so we are at the end of our walk. I think we're gonna end up walking, what, almost 8 miles?
Almost, yeah.
Yeah, almost 8 miles. Feeling a little tired because this last stretch has been like...
Up, down, up. Good workout though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we're back in the Forest of Clyde, still next to the river, and we are just winding up the last, what we hope is the last hill to Castle Bank Park. Okay. It was like Castle something Park. And I think then
from there it's up the hill a wee bit to...
we're gonna go to the William Wallace Inn, I think, maybe, and have a beer before
back, maybe 2.
Taking the train back to Glasgow. But overall, amazing day, great waterfalls, highly recommended. Falls of Clyde.
5 stars.